In this video, I want to show you how to change the language of your iPhone 17. So very easy. You need to go into the settings, find the settings icon, go down, and you're going to select General. Go down and you're going to select Language and Region right over here. And on the top, you're going to have Preferred Languages. Because you can have multiples, not just one. By default, it's English over here because this is what I chose when I set up my device. But I can click on Add Language, choose one in this list. You can even search. Okay, let's say I want this one. And now it will ask you, do you want to use this language you just selected as your primary language, which means the whole UI, the whole menus of your iPhone will be in this language. If you want that, you're going to select that language. And as you see right now, it has switched to French. And now everything is in French in the menus of this iPhone. Now, in this menu, as I said, you can have multiple languages. So now I have French on the top and English on the bottom. If you want to switch and bring this language on the top because, I don't know, you change your mind for one reason or another, you're going to do that. You're going to bring it on the top and press continue. And right now it reverts back to English. You can have multiple language and switching between them is very easy if, again, for a reason you need to do that. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.